In February 2025, President Trump fired Hampton Dellinger. Dellinger was the head of the U.S. Office of Special Counsel. The firing was announced via email. Dellinger had been appointed by President Biden. He quickly filed a lawsuit against the Trump administration. The suit claimed the dismissal violated federal law. This law protects independent agency heads from being fired. Acceptable reasons for firing include neglect of duty, malfeasance, or inefficiency. Dellinger argued that none of these applied to him. He believed his firing was politically motivated. The lawsuit sought his reinstatement as head of the OSC. It also requested that the court declare Trump's actions unlawful. The lawsuit marked the beginning of a legal battle. This battle would have significant implications. It could impact the power of the presidency. It could also affect the protections of federal employees. The case went before a federal judge in Washington, D.C. The judge issued a temporary injunction. This injunction reinstated Dellinger while the case was reviewed. The Trump administration appealed this decision. The case then moved to the U.S. Court of Appeals. The Court of Appeals upheld the lower court's ruling. They agreed that Trump's firing of Dellinger raised serious legal questions. The Justice Department, under Trump's direction, appealed again. This time the appeal was to the Supreme Court. The Justice Department argued that lower courts were overstepping their authority. They claimed that no court had ever forced a president to keep an agency head. The appeal to the Supreme Court represented a significant escalation of the case. The court's decision would have far-reaching consequences. The OSC plays a crucial role in protecting federal employees. It investigates allegations of wrongdoing within the government. This includes whistleblowing cases. Whistleblowers are employees who expose illegal or unethical activities. The OSC safeguards these individuals from retaliation. This protection is essential for maintaining accountability within the government. Dellinger's firing raised concerns about the future of the OSC. If presidents could easily dismiss its head, the agency's independence would be compromised. This independence is crucial for the OSC to function effectively. It ensures that the OSC can investigate allegations without fear of political interference. The outcome of Dellinger's case could have lasting impacts on the OSC's ability to protect whistleblowers. Dellinger's firing was not an isolated incident. It occurred amidst a wave of dismissals within the Trump administration. These firings targeted inspectors general and thousands of federal employees. The administration justified these actions as part of a cost-cutting initiative. This initiative was spearheaded by the Department of Government Efficiency. Elon Musk headed DOGE. DOGE's methods were often criticized as being ruthless and indiscriminate. Over one weekend, thousands of probationary employees received termination letters. The letters cited inadequate performance. However, many employees argued that the firings were politically motivated. They believed that DOGE was targeting individuals deemed disloyal to the Trump administration. These firings raised serious concerns about the politicization of the federal workforce.